Copy.ai. Are you tired of spending hours brainstorming and rewriting marketing content? Imagine having an AI assistant that delivers polished, on-brand copy in just seconds. That is exactly what Copy.ai offers. As a leading AI-powered content creation platform in 2025, Copy.ai is trusted by marketers, agencies, and businesses worldwide to speed up content workflows while maintaining quality. With AI-powered content generation, Copy.ai can instantly create engaging copy for blogs, social media posts, email campaigns, product descriptions, and digital ads. Its library of over 90 copywriting templates covers everything from headlines and Facebook ads to email sequences, making it easy to tackle any type of content. The custom brand voice feature ensures your messaging stays consistent across platforms, while multilingual support, covering more than 25 languages, makes it perfect for global outreach. Copy.ai's Infobase allows you to store reusable content like brand guidelines or company mission statements, so you can quickly integrate key details into new pieces. To keep your work original, the built-in plagiarism checker scans for duplicate content, available in premium plans. Its workflow builder automates repetitive writing tasks, saving you time and effort. The platform also provides SEO-optimized writing tools to improve your search rankings and organic reach. Teams can collaborate seamlessly with real-time editing and feedback tools, making it a powerful choice for organizations producing content at scale. Copy.ai not only eliminates writer's block, but also speeds up the entire content creation process, ensuring you deliver fresh, relevant, and optimized copy every time. Whether you are managing a marketing campaign, e-commerce store, or communication strategy, Copy.ai helps you produce professional results faster. Call to action. Level up your content game. Try Copy.ai today and watch your marketing productivity soar.